A lot of our patients with chronic illness have been dealing with it for so many years that sometimes it feels like they're no longer in control of their own well-being. These workshops really help people learn how to take things back into their own control.
My mother had diabetes. If I can prevent it, I'm going to do something about it.
In the long run, really as providers, what we want is our patients to feel better and to be healthier. I have definitely had patients who have completed these programs who come back in and they've taken control of their life and just like they feel better.
2 years ago, my provider announced to me out of the blue that I was pre-diabetic. I kind of blew it off. I thought, I'm just a hair over normal. I don't really need to worry about it that much. Another year went by and I had my A1C, my blood sugar test, and I was up 2 more tenths of a point. And that kind of freaked me out. The next time I got an invite to the class, I signed up for it.
As a provider, it can be challenging to recommend over and over again the same thing. But if they say yes, that will change their life. Having the provider share the information really speaks volumes. People do trust their provider.
There's a Prevent Diabetes program, a program to help people with chronic pain, a program just in general about dealing with chronic illnesses, hypertension and lowering blood pressure, the smoking cessation program, and then there's a diabetes management program for patients who already have a full diagnosis of diabetes. Patients who are involved in a more structured program, there's lots of evidence to show that that is more successful.
When people show up each week, they're making new action plans, checking in with the group of what worked, what didn't work.
How to set a small goal, how to not get discouraged if it doesn't work the first time, how to adjust your goal.
Focus on one thing a week. That's all you got to do. You don't have to make it really complicated.
That's when change becomes permanent.
You guys all have your action plans? Good luck with those.
People learn a lot more from someone who has the same condition that they do. They realize that other people are experiencing the same barriers and the same frustrations.
Living a healthy life isn't easy. Having people to support you really makes a big difference.
It's become really easy now to refer patients to these workshops.
It's all volunteer. It doesn't cost anything.
Because they're online, there are lots of different times that you can sign up for it. I personally have lots of patients who've benefited from this. It just seems like a no-brainer to be sending patients to them.
It worked so well for me. I've been wanting to get to this healthy point in my life for so long, and I feel so good now that I want to get the word out to everybody that it's not that hard.